They say for a workman, his tools add life to his art. For a photographer, his vision breathes through his photographs. I have strongly believed that the best results should be captured in camera rather than post-processing procedures. That's where Canon comes to be my partner. My name is Prabhu Prakash. I am a wedding photographer. I've been a proud Canon user ever since I started my journey 6 years back. Being a Canon influencer, I'm excited to try the new member of the family, the Canon EOS R6. Through my journey in wedding photography, I have realized how important one's equipments are for your skills to be refined. The new Canon EOS R6 has so many such features that raise the bar for the photography and videography. The 20.1 megapixel CMOS sensor gives high resolution results and a full frame coverage. One more feature that it offers is the 100% coverage over the image screen, so I have complete control over the focus in any part of the frame. Another feather on the cap for the Canon EOS R6 is the head and eye detection, which assures I have the best focus of the people in the frame even if they are moving. As a wedding photographer, I cannot afford to miss any moment and have to be on my toes to capture the spur of the moment to perfection. The Canon EOS R6 allows 12 fps with mechanical shutter and 20 fps with silent shutter, making sure I never fail to capture any special moments. The striking 4K video at 60 frames per second at 10-bit image quality take the slow motion videos to a whole new level. The provisions for 2 card slots is cherry on the cake, which enables recording with one and another for backup, both of which are SD cards. The tiltable screen adds to another solution to taking shots from really high and low angles. The Canon EOS R6 also comes with 5-axis in-body image stabilizer, which gives up to 8 stops of shake correction. This feature is a boon to shoot with in such conditions. The 2130 mAh battery that comes with the super lightweight EOS R6 are a few of the other helpful features for long hour shoots that we photographers commonly face. As the sun set, I got to test the low light focusing. Even though the couple was at a distance, the focusing was seamless. I also used some external flash in low light to check the dynamic range and the ISO performance. The results were amazing. The shot you see here were taken at 10,000 ISO, and the pleasant surprise is that there are hardly any grains. My experience with Canon EOS R6 has been amazing, considering the functional design and the inbuilt features. Knowing how important every single shot is going to be for the couple as they cherish it for their lifetime, I deem it my responsibility to deliver the best, and undoubtedly Canon EOS R6 has been my finest mate.